Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You open the piano game and jump straight to the piano UI. Do not stall. Click the Auto or Auto Play control to enable automated key sequences and pick a song file or chart if required. Next, set tempo and octave to match the music. Choose 1/2, 1 or 2x for speed, and press octave +/ to fit melody range. Once done, make sure sound is unmuted and your volume is comfortable. This prevents misjudging timing and avoids redoing steps. You now focus on the core setup. Load a compatible note chart or paste the sequence the game accepts. Formats vary, so pick the right one. Then adjust timing offset. This compensates for input lag, so test with a short loop and nudge until notes align. Next, tweak sustain, velocity, and channel mapping to reproduce layered instruments accurately. These options change how long notes hold and how loud they sound. Once aligned, play a full loop to confirm everything syncs and feels natural. You start the full auto playback and watch for missed notes or tempo drift. This is the finish line, but not the end. If the sequence stutters, pause and tweak offset or reduce CPU-heavy graphics to lower lag. Save your settings or export the chart so you can reuse the same setup later. If playback still fails, reinstall any community scripts or restart the game. That often resolves conflicts. One troubleshooting tip: if notes are consistently late, increase negative offset slowly until timing is precise.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.